Hi, today we will learn how to represent fractions on a number line. So suppose we have a number line like this where this is 0 and this is 1, right? Suppose you want to represent 1 by 2 on this number line. So this is called numerator. And this part is called denominator, right? So to represent any fraction on the number line, what you have to see is the denominator. What is the denominator over here? Denominator over here is 2. This is very important. This tells us in how many equal parts each unit or whole has to be divided. So since the denominator over here is 2, I will divide this number line into 2 equal parts. So suppose this is a division. This is 0 and this will be 1, or you can call it as whole. This will be 1 by 2, right? So if you want to represent 1 by 2 over the number line, this will be the position, right? This is 1 by 2. And now suppose if you want to represent 1 by 3 over this number line. So suppose if we want to represent 1 by 3, what we have to see? We have to see the denominator. Denominator actually tells us how many equal parts you have to make. So here the denominator is 3. So we will divide this 0 to 1, this number line, into 1, 2 and 3 equal parts, right? And below the bar we will peacefully write 3 on both the places, and after 0 we get 1. So this point will be 1 by 3, and after 1 we get 2. So this point will be 2 by 3. So this much is 1/3 and this much is 2/3. So this is the number line where this point on the line represent 1 by 3 and this point on the number line represents 2 by 3. Right? Yes. And now suppose you want to represent 4 by 6 on this number line. So what we have to do? We have to divide this line from 0 to 1 into 6 equal parts, right? So how do we do that? First, I'll divide it into 3 equal parts, then each part I'll divide into half. And now I'll draw bars, and below that I'll peacefully write 6. And over the bars we will get 1 over here. This will be 2. This will be 3. This will be 4. And this will be 5. And this is actually 6 by 6. 6 out of 6 are whole. So this point is 0. And this point will be whole, right? And what we were supposed to represent originally? Originally we were supposed to represent 4 by 6. So where do we have 4 by 6? This is the 4 by 6. So this point actually represents 4/6 of the part, right? And this much portion of the line is equal to 4 by 6. So this is the way we represent any fraction on the number line. So what is the procedure? First, you draw a line, then you label this point of the line as 0 and the last point of the line as a whole, and then you see the denominator of the fraction and divide the number line into equal parts as the denominator is saying. So since this is 6, so we have divided the number line into 6 equal parts, and the numerator can be marked sequentially as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, right? So denominator actually represents the number of equal parts. So we have learnt how to represent a fraction into number lines.